I'm with my friend here, and we're trying to find a flip phone. Here we go. Mostly found near couches, mostly the corners of them, usually. Here we have a wild gizmo. They tend to be good boys. Here, folks. There's one right there. Let's try it. Here we are. And there we have it.
Well, that thing's kind of scary.
It sure is. You better be careful when you're using these things. When misused, it can be pretty harmful. So be cautious when using them. Now, let's go bring this thing to the table so I can get pinched by it. Here we go. Here's the table. Let's put it down right here. Look at that thing. I can tell that this is an LG species, as it shows right there. So, what do you say? Should we take it out now? Should we take it out now?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. These things luckily can't climb up walls, so that's a good thing. And they're harmless until you open them, so that should be that. Here we have there, folks. Gotta be really careful with this LG flip phone. Now, I think it's time. I'm Spleeben Hoobie. And I'm about to enter the pinch zone with the flip phone. Here we go.
Describe the pain.
Already? Okay, it's like... Okay. I gotta redo that. Ow! It's like a really bad pinch, and I've heard that it can throb after a few minutes. Now, this thing will stay locked on after it feels like it won't come off. It'll actually be locked on. This may be like locked on, so in 2 minutes I'm gonna take it off. So I gotta take the time. 3:41 and 48 seconds. It's a very bad pinch, and yeah, as I heard, throbbing afterward. It's very searing pain. And, oh my. This is a feisty boy right there. Oh man. Oh, that thing is still on. Oh, wait, till 3:43 and 50 seconds. Oh man, this thing hurts. Now this is a bad one. Some other ones may not be that bad, but this is very bad. Oh my. Okay. Oh man.
You're really trying to get that thing off.
Yeah. But pulling it off will just cause more pain. It's 3:43. We have about 30 seconds left, since it's 20 seconds. Now. Okay. We only have 15 more seconds.
Is this like the worst type of phone?
It may be. That is a phone. You gotta be cautious with these. Man, it hurts. Time's almost up. Okay, time's up. I'm gonna try pulling it out. Ah! I did it. Let's put this thing back in there. Oh, man. Look at that thing.
Left a mark.
Man, it left the mark. Man, that thing is red and white. It feels hot. It definitely made a mark on it.
Now.
Man, you really gotta be careful around those things. They can leave a deadly mark like that. Now, of course, you'd probably take it off quicker if it bit you, but yeah. Anyway, that sums up the video. Be brave. Stay modern. We'll see you in the next adventure. It is safe to be cautious when sitting down on the corner of a seat on a couch or opening a flip phone, because you may be pinched. Although not many people own flip phones today, it is important to warn them about the hazard of being pinched by a flip phone. We hope you liked this video.
Also, ask the cameraman this time.